Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a collage with 4 different images. Let's begin. First of all, we'll make 4 different rectangles. Click the rectangular tool, and once the tool is selected, simply click on the stage. Create rectangle window appeared. Make the rectangle 250 by 250. Click OK. We see it has a stroke, bold stroke. We can remove the stroke from the properties panel. Yes, okay. So we have a panel, we have a box. We'll create 3 more box by duplicating this one. Press Alt and click and drag the box, and this is copy and paste. Click these 2 again and press Alt and drag down, and now we have the 4 different boxes. Maybe we can attach with each other. Put the stroke is on them. To add the stroke, I'll select the first one. From the layer panel, click on the layer and double click the right side of the layer. The layer style window appears. Add stroke. Outside, maybe we can add 3. There it is. And similarly, I will do the same for rest 3. It is. And finally the last one. Okay, our boxes are ready. Now I will import the images. I already have 4 images for this collage. Maybe I can import all 3 together. Now I'll take one by one into the box. Drag and drop. This is the last one. The image is much bigger than our box, so we will decrease the size. To decrease the size, I am pressing Ctrl and T from the keyboard, and from the option panel at the top, make it 25%. Maybe we can make even smaller, and here it is. Yeah. So we will put this image to this box. So this is the image and this is the box. This box is the first box. I'll take the image at down so that we can make a clipping mask with the box. To make clipping masks, press Alt from the keyboard, and when the cursor convert into the arrow like this, click on the mouse. See, the image positions in the box. Now we can move the image to make it better position. Now similarly, we'll take the second image, and I will take this image above the second box. Press Ctrl T to decrease the size of the image, and here it is. And similarly, create the clipping mask. This is, and take the number 3 image, take it to the above of the box and make clipping mask. See, the image is bigger than the box, so by pressing Ctrl T, I am decreasing the size. Okay, this guy is looking at the outside. Maybe we can flip horizontal. Yeah, the looking is good now. And now I take the image number 4 and move it above of the rectangle number 4. Make clipping mask. Click Ctrl T from the keyboard. Make the image smaller. Yeah, little bigger. Yeah, here it is. So you see, we have a beautiful college image, and I hope you understand how I made this quick college image. This is very easy. The main part of this tutorial is clipping mask. Clipping mask is the process when you put an image into customized shape, that can be oval, that can be circle, that can be any other shape. So when you clipping mask an image into a shape, the image will not visible outside of the shape. So this technique is applied in this video, in this collage. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you very much.